What are switch words? Switch words are words that allow you to instantly switch dimensions. It helps in solving problems and fulfilling wishes. It indicates that words have the ability to alter your energy. In English, all switched words are sedimentaries. They are simple to learn and use. Switch words are not awkward like other healing tools. Since switch words are single word affirmations, there is no confusion about which tense to use. Switch words are words that can transform a person's frequency from negative to positive. This type of wording works on the subconscious mind. Using the right switch words is critical for success. To solve problems and fulfill wishes, subscribe us on YouTube for powerful Switchwords Chants.